Good morning. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Mr. Fotheringham, and I'll be your physics teacher for the next 4 weeks. Grade 11 Physics Online is a fantastic course, and I know you're going to have a great time learning all about this. Let's take a few minutes. Let's go through the website, make sure we're familiar how to use D2L, what the expectations are, how to hand in assignments. I want to make sure that you're comfortable with all these things so you can be as successful as possible. So on this main page here, this is where you start your course. What we've got listed, any news feeds, anything important, I'm going to put right here to grab your attention. Over here, we've got our calendar. Our calendar is going to list the due dates for everything. You're going to typically have 1 to 2 assignments due every day based on the nature of it. Typically maybe an online quiz and then some sort of written assignment. We'll get to all that in a second. Everything we need to worry about is going to be here under the content button. So we're going to click here and we're going to load up our website. And what you see right here is we don't have very much yet. That's because before you can begin the course, I need you to read over the general course information. My email is right here. I'm going to be posting it all over the place, so you're going to get a hold of me whenever you need to. I need you to read over these general course information so you know what you're getting into, what the expectations are. So I've produced an entire FAQ right here that I'd like you to read over. I'd like you to read over how to format assignments. All of your assignments that you'll be handing in will be in PDF format in one file. If you don't know how to do that, don't worry about it. I've got a whole series of instructions on how you can do that based on how you're handing things in. You need to know how you're going to get extra help. We're going to have extra help offered through Google Chat every morning from 9 to 10:30. So it would be like a chat room similar to, let's say, Reddit or Slack. And what you're going to do is you're going to post messages there. I will be there, and I'll be there to respond either with a text answer, image answers, a video answer, or slip it into a Google Meet. I'll also be holding live sessions where I turn on Google Meet from 11 to 12 on the following dates here. The reason I'm doing that is these all lead up to your test dates. I'm figuring you might want some last second help, and I'll be there ready for you. I know that this course might be a bit much, so I'll also have instructions here on how to drop the course. We'll also have information on how to install Brightspace on your phone in case you're using a tablet or something while you're away. In terms of a textbook for this course, you don't need to do textbook readings. I'm never going to insist on it. But I do also know that sometimes you have other things that you need a secondary resource. I understand that. So if you need that, I've listed it here with all the attempted readings as well. When you've read through all this, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Course Procedures. And when you click on Course Procedures, it's going to take you to a quiz. Now this quiz you have to get perfect on because it's simple readings. It is not worth marks. You can take as many shots as you need to. I just want to make sure that we're comfortable with this. So you go ahead, start the quiz. I'll turn my video back on after the quiz is done. Now once you've completed the quiz, what you're going to see is you have a new thing here. It says Unit 1 Kinematics. Your first lesson will become available as of July 6th. So if you complete the quiz before July 6th, nothing new will pop up. But in order to start seeing course content, you need to finish the quiz. Make sure we're on the same page. Now when you're clicking here, you'll see each day can be labeled by a date. So we're going to click right there. Everything you need to know about your lesson, your outline is put right here. Now within the lessons, we will have review questions. We will have answers posted here as well. We may also do video lessons because sometimes you need a note or video or both. We'll use whatever it takes to help learn the material the best way. So for interpreting motion graphs, for example, I've put up a Quizlet for you to try. There's another thing that you can do. Or homework. When you feel you've learned the material, what you're going to be doing, you're going to be clicking here for your assignments. In this particular case, you've got a quiz that I'd expect you to do. And this one is for marks. The only quiz that's not for marks is the one that's about course procedures. So when you're ready, you would go ahead and click on the quiz. We've also got an assignment. Now I'll click here to go to the assignment. And this is going to be a written assignment. Yet again, what the attachment is right here so you can see what the assignment looks like. So you click there and you can read over it. Now how you hand it in is you can type in your answers or you can write them by hand and take pictures. What's important is that eventually you submit it as one PDF. So you're going to click here to go to add a file. And you're going to upload the file as a PDF. So you can go from Google Drive or right on your computer and drag and drop whatever it is that you need to do. If you have any questions, email me. My email is all over the website. Make sure you're getting a hold of me as soon as you have problems arise. Because it's such a condensed time frame, it's really easy to get behind, and I want to see you be successful. See you over the next month.